What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another one of our videos, Deep and Dead Off-Road. We got some exciting news to share with you guys. We have partnered up with RPM. They're going to be the newest sponsor for our channel, and they were kind enough to send us some goodies for my X3. So Eric already runs their exhaust, and we fell in love with it. It was awesome. So yeah, we're pretty excited about this.
Yeah, quality stuff for sure. Why don't you show them the goodies they sent you?
All right, what we got here looks like we got charge tubes for my X3 and then a blow-off valve kit. So that get the little swoosh sound going, which is cool. And then the part I'm most excited for, we got a 3-inch turbo back E-valve mid-pipe. Oh man, this thing's gonna be rowdy. It's gonna sound good. So they sent me that and all the installation parts that we need, everything for it, and a bunch of stickers. So we are super happy to be working with them. And for all you guys that are looking to get stuff from RPM, we also have a discount code that you can use. It's DNDOR. That's Deep and Dead Off-Road, just DNDOR. You can use that on their website and save yourself a little bit of coin. It shows them that we're worthwhile working with, so we'd appreciate it if you buy anything from them. Make sure you use our code.
Yep.
So
I want you. He's already got a head start here. Maybe
I've
show him a little bit.
I've started working on getting some of the plastics off and the seats and stuff out of the way, so we can start the install process. We're just changing the mid pipe, so we got to take the springs off and bolt it back to the turbo and take the what do you call that? The O2 bung or whatever. Yeah, we got to do that. And then I've got the seats pulled out and the center console out so we can put the switch. And we're gonna start working on it, and we'll probably pop in every once in a while and show you some updates, see how it's going. So, all right, Here we go. All right, guys, we're back with a little update. We have all the parts removed from the X3, so we got kind of a mess going on here. We have new exhaust, old mid pipe. We've got old charge tubes, new charge tubes, a ton of tools and parts and nuts and bolts everywhere. We have the old stock exhaust still out. We're gonna have to replace that, but it was easier to get it to all the charge tubes and turbo inlet tube and everything, all that with getting it off. So kind of look at it here where everything's at. So yeah, we're making progress slowly but surely. I think we may have underestimated the complexity a little, just a little. But
yeah, it's 5 p.m. and we're going riding tomorrow, so we gotta kick it in high gear to get everybody together.
Yeah, we got to get going. So, all right, well, we'll update you here in a little bit. Hopefully, it's with the sweet sound of an open X3 exhaust, maybe a little whistle. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're back with you. We got everything buttoned up pretty much. Still got some finishing touches, but we got the exhaust installed, the charge tubes, the blow-off valve. It's all in. CanAms aren't the easiest to work on. I'll just say that. But the exhaust, the exhaust turned out pretty awesome. Looks cool. I think it's going to sound really cool. So, what do you think?
Yeah.
We'll do a little snippet for you guys to hear it. Run with it closed and open just with a couple revs, and then be sure to stay tuned to our next video. It'll be a Turkey Bay video. We're heading to Turkey Bay in the morning. We got done with this just in time to be able to still go. So, all right, I guess I'll go turn it on, and we'll start off with the valve closed, so through normal exhaust, and then I'll open it up. All right. Well, that's about it for tonight on this. I'm going to get stuff buttoned up and hopefully we can have a good day of riding tomorrow. So,
Yeah.
thanks again to RPM for sending this stuff to us. We really appreciate it. Make sure you check out their website and use code DNDOR for your purchase. Save a little bit of money.
Yeah, it's just like mine, quality exhaust, really happy. Fitment, yeah, once you get in there, top notch. So, but yeah, check you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.